Tillman, and I am so excited that Shimmerz is releasing its first card making kit. So I thought I'd just go through it really quick and let you know. Their first sale today, March 1st, and they are limited supply, so you'll want to hop on that if you like what you see. So anyways, I'll first go through what is included in the kit. The kit is $34.95, and it is a 20% savings from buying each set individually. This month, Shimmerz has partnered with Pink and Main. So there's this delightful Life is a Circus clear stamp set, and it has a cute little seal, a lion jumping through a hoop, a monkey on a little unicycle, I wanted to say clown, a circus master, and a little elephant bouncing on a ball, and a cannon and some balloons, cotton candy, a snow cone, a little ticket, and a little popcorn bucket. And the sentiments are: have the greatest day on earth, I jump through hoops for you, you're the greatest friend on earth, and life is a circus, enjoy the show. Anyways, it's so cute, and it has a coordinating die set that comes in the kit, and these dies come already cut apart, so that's nice. You can just get going on your crafting. So those are the stamps and dies included in the kit, and Shimmerz has put together these colors for this month. It's Let Us Get Together Creameez, Grapefruit Creameez, and Ride the Tide Creameez, and then a Spritz, which is a spray called Granny Gray. And Creameez are a dry pigment. Well, I have actually used this recently, so it's got some water, but they usually come, it's kind of like a cake, kind of like a watercolor cake instead of you know, a liquidy paint. So I'm looking for my water bottle. So basically, to use a Creameez, you just do a few spritzes of water, and then you, that's to prepare it. Put the lid back on, wait a few minutes. We'll see if any of these, I have used these recently, so they already have some water in them. But anyways, these give a great finish. It's like a really soft, creamy finish, and they are beautiful. I have swatched them out, and the Let Us Get Together is this beautiful kind of spring green color, and Grapefruit is kind of like a grapefruity color. So the name of like a light coral peachy pink. And then the beautiful Ride the Tide is this soft bluish color that is just darling. And then Spritzes have a little bit of like shimmer in them, so it usually collects at the bottom. I have shook this up already, but you just kind of, you don't want to shake the bottles, you want to just kind of roll them until the pigment starts mixing and you can see that all the shine is in there and it's not just this dark dark liquid with a little bit of pigment at the bottom. So anyways, and the Granny Gray is that is the swatch of it. It's got some shimmer, you can tell, and it's just a really beautiful gray, and depending on how much or how little you use, you get some great shades. So I made 3 cards with this kit already. One of them I've already given. It's in the hands of a cute little 2-year-old I know who had a birthday last week. My second card is this little shaker card. So I just love the sound of shakers. Anyways, I used the little cannon, the balloons, and the elephant on a ball, and I stamped on a ticket the sentiment, and I just broke it up into 2 lines instead of one big long one. And then I added a seam binding bow, and I flipped, kind of splattered all of the inks on a background panel. Oh my goodness, this one was not glued well, apparently. I will have to fix that. But for now, we'll just reposition it. And you can see there's just a little bit of shine and shimmer on those things. And I used, for the monkey card that I don't have, but I have it posted on my blog and Instagram and Facebook. It's a little monkey card, and I did some watercolor stripes with the 3 colors in the kit, and then put gray at the top and bottom, and I cut it out in a rectangle shape, and then I used what was left as the little frame for the shaker, so you can kind of see those stripes there. And a seam binding bow and some sprinkles for my shaker, and just a really cute card. And then my other card that I have made for this is just a sweet little watercolor scene. I just did a little wash on some watercolor paper with the Ride the Tide and the Let Us Get Together Creameez, and then I splattered on some of the gray, the Granny Gray Spritz. And then I watercolored these sweet little sweeties. I love this little seal. He's just so cute. Anyways, I did it in the same colors, and then I used the gray for the elephant and the seal, and added some of the grapefruit for the belly and the cheeks, and just to give it a little hint of that green too, or pink. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to go through the kit, and please check the website, shimmerzpaints.com. There are 2 other kits that are releasing today, a color kit and a Missy Wooden kit. So check it out, and I hope to see you over on Shimmerz.